Hi friends, today I am making a bhanoli in Maharashtrian recipe it is. But you know what, that is baked in a one tray. But I am going to make tikkis, the same recipe in a tikki form. So let's get started. This is 300 grams of cabbage finely chopped. This is 2 onions, red chili powder, dhana jeera powder, that is cumin and coriander seed powder. This is the garam masala. This is a half teaspoon of hing and half teaspoon of haldi. Now half teaspoon is necessary because we are using chana flour, so it kind of helps to digest the tikkis better. So this is 100 grams of chana flour, and the two main ingredients in this is the coriander. You need a really good amount of one full cup of coriander, and this is 1.5 teaspoon of the cinnamon powder. These two ingredients are the main ingredients which give it this lovely taste. So let's get started. So let's just start putting all the ingredients together. It's a very simple recipe. You just mix everything like how you do it for a bhajia. It's something similar, but we are going to bake it, so it gives a healthy touch to it. This is the cabbage, the onions, the red chili powder, the धना जीरा, सब डाल के मिक्स करना है जैसे हम लोग भजिया बनाते हैं. ओके, नाउ ये गरम मसाला डाला. दिस इज गरम मसाला which we've added. This is the hing and the haldi. Now we add the coriander. A whole big bunch of coriander is necessary. The cinnamon powder. Now we add the salt. See, salt is to taste, so you need to taste it in between and see if you need more, because see we might need more because we are adding the chana flour or the besan. So it's like how you do the bhajia. जैसे आप भजिया में डालते हो वैसे आप टेस्ट करके फिर डाला करो the salt. And now since we get it all mixed, now I need to mix this with my hand. See, let's just first mix all this together. And then slowly you start adding the besan or chana flour. लाइक आपको अंदाज़ा आ जाएगा जैसे भजिया बनाते हो वैसे उतना चना फ्लावर लगेगा. तो slowly and slowly just keep adding the chana flour, so we know exactly how much we need. Okay, so we've used all the chana flour in this, the 100 grams. And now see, last we will add this oil. See, this is 2 tablespoons of oil. This is heated and cooled so that it's not कच्चा. ये गरम किया हुआ तेल है और उसको गरम करके ठंडा करना है और फिर इसमें डालना है. Do taste the recipe and check if you need extra salt or a spice or anything. You can add according to your need. Okay, 2 things. See, I've oiled my tray and the tikkis are on the tray. And my oven is preheated. Now 2 things I wanted to make you know is that we did not add water while binding, because the onion, when you put salt in it, it gives out its water and was enough for binding the tikkis. And secondly, we've added the little more of cinnamon powder to my taste. So each one has to taste and see what works for them. Just brush it a little with oil on top. friends, here are our cabbage baked tikkis, which we baked for 40 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. And this is our product now. Hope you do try it and let me know. It's like a healthy diet kind of a tikki which has very little oil in it, so it's very good for health conscious people too. Thank you.